Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to turn off or disable the Windows startup sound. Let's jump straight into it guys. Go to click on start icon and select settings. Left side select personalization. On right side select the themes. Select the sound in here. Select in here sound Windows default. And in here you need to uncheck the box play Windows startup sound. Uncheck it. We just want to enable the play startup sound. You just want to check mark it. You want to disable it, uncheck it and apply and OK. Close out of here. And for changes take effect, restart your PC guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.